So these are the Sabre LED DDM tuning headlight bulbs that go onto your Honda Civic. This one specifically is going to be for the 2019, 2018, like 10th gen style Civics. So this one, if you open up, comes with the 2 LED bulbs and this connector here that you plug into your original socket. And it's pretty much a plug and play. Let's go check it out.
As you order these bulbs online with the link I'll provide in the description below, it comes in this box that's literally just plug and play. It takes about a few minutes if you know your general way around the front of the car, and you're good to go. Now, as I said, these are plug and play. You won't get any codes thrown on your dashboard whatsoever. These are the most fantastic quality LED bulbs you can get for the price. I'll have the description again right below. Here's how to install them. Now you may be asking why upgrade to LED bulbs. The original halogen bulbs that are provided with the Civic, as they're pretty standard, they just don't light up the road as well as I'd expect it to. Now an only $80 to $90 upgrade, it helps light up the road a lot better and helps the car look 100 times better.
Alright, so first thing you want to do, guys, is you come onto the passenger side here, just because it's a little easier for you guys to see. So basically this is your high beam housing and this is your low beam housing. This low beam housing is the one we're going to go for today. So it's actually very simple. The only thing you're going to do is there's going to be a button down here. It's kind of like a lever. You can see that little piece moving. And as you push that, push down on this whole mechanism, then this is the actual bulb itself. This is the plug. So all you're gonna wanna do is turn it. There you go. It's gonna be at a certain angle. You hear it click out of place. Then pull it out. And this is your low beam housing for the stock Honda Civic. So if you compare this to the one that you receive here in the package, you can see a very big difference, obviously, between the both. This pushes out 10,000 lumens. I'm not exactly sure how much this pushes out, but this is a lot more powerful. And, you know, previously at night, I haven't been able to see that well, so this should make a huge difference. So installing it is actually very simple. First thing you're going to want to do is match up these 3 levers here to the 3 sockets that are in the housing over here. So if the camera focuses, there we go. You'll see there's 1, 2, and 3. It actually takes a lot of effort to try to get this into place. It's a very tight fit, which is good, so that way you know it's very tight, no condensation will go in. But basically you're gonna match it up with those 3 open holes, push it into place, and turn to the right to make sure it's nice and tight. I like the DDM logo over here to be facing upwards, that way you know it's the right direction. So now next thing you're going to want to do is take this stock housing, the stock wire, and plug it into the aftermarket wire over here. Now there is a heads up here, there is a plus and minus on this wire. The plus and minus, you're going to want to make sure it's faced up compared to this wire. So you'll be able to tell if it clicks into place correctly. Sorry, I'm doing this with one hand right now. So as you can see, the plus and minus are at the top. All you got to do snap it into place, and boom, it's all set to go. So now I like to do a little test to make sure everything's working. So let's go check it out. Now we should be able to tell a big difference between them both. Wow, look at that. This here before is the before, and this is the after. It matches so much better. It's actually a lot more bright. I could tell right off the bat. This one's pretty bright, but that one is just powerful. You can tell the difference right there. And that's pretty much it for both. Just repeat that on the other side and you're good to go. It should be as simple as that. Again, this is DDM tuning LED headlight bulbs, and they're pretty much plug and play. This one specifically is 10,000 lumens, and the color is 6,000K to get you that bright white look. If you guys have any questions, you can let me know in the comments, and see you guys in the next video.